Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'll be introducing you guys to another new anti-detect browser. So if you are the type that like running multiple accounts online, today I'll be showing you another new anti-detect browser where you can be able to create multiple accounts without having issue of account banning. So without further ado, let's get started. So the name of this site I'll be introducing you guys to today is MoreLogin. As you can see on my screen, I'll be leaving the link to this particular site on the description of this video. Make sure you use the link to sign up. Once you click on the link, it will automatically take you to this page. Now, once you are on this page, you will be asked to input your email address, you create a password, then you click on I have agreed and then click on sign up. And once you are done signing up, click on download to download their software, because you need to download the software. I already have it on my system, so I don't need to download it. Let me cancel it. After it has finished downloading, you need to tap on it so that it will be installed on your system. Once you are done installing, you open up the profile. So let me open up the profile, what's it called, the app. I already downloaded it, so I'll just open up the app now. As you can see, it is loading. So you just give it a little time to load. Once it's finished loading, you'll be asked to input your email address and password you provided. So once you have done that, it will automatically take you to this page. Let me delete these things I just had. Let me delete these profiles so that I can walk you guys through how to go about it. So let me delete. I'll delete all of them. Sorry, profiles. I'll delete this, tap on it and then delete profile, confirm. Delete profile, confirm. Now, before I continue, I would like you guys to take note of this. You'll be given a free trial, and you will be saying, I think the free trial is for around 2 weeks, and you can open 50 profiles. You understand? Before you will be asked to now renew. So let's continue. Once you are on the dashboard, this is how the interface looks like. So you need to head over to where they write new profile and click on new profile. Now they offer browser profile and also they provide cloud phone. If you want to purchase cloud phone, you can do that. If you need a browser profile, you can do that. But I'll focus mainly on the browser profile, on how to go about it. You understand? It's very easy. So once you click on the browser profile, make sure you are on the advanced create. Once you're on the advanced create, now the profile name, you can give it any name you wish. You can give it any name you wish. You understand? Now once you give it a name, you can select the browser you want to use, either Chrome or Firefox. Now under the operating system, you can select any of these operating system that suits you. If you want a Windows fingerprint, you select it. Mac OS fingerprint, select it. Android fingerprint, select this, and so on and so forth. Now once you are done that, I'll show you guys how to add up your proxy to your profile. So to do that is very easy. You just head over to the proxy section. This is the proxy section. Now under the proxy section, you make sure it is on new proxy, then you click on this proxy type and select the protocol. So I'll be using a SOX 5 proxy, so I'll select protocol and the SOX 5. Now I will go and generate my proxy from Geonode. So if you don't know how to use, if you don't know anything about Geonode, I will leave a link to the description of this video. I will attach the video so that you go and watch how to go about it. So once you are done that, you come and you generate your proxy. After generating your proxy, you can now copy your proxy and integrate it to your MoreLogin account. So as you can see, I just copied the proxy details. So I will paste it here. I'll click on Ctrl V on my screen, on my keyboard, and it will be assigned the proxies. So I'll click on proxy detection. Now, after it has successfully detected my proxy, you can see everything is ticked, check is passed. You now click on confirm. Now, once you have done that, you can see the profile has been created. If you want to create new profile, you can do the same by clicking on add new profile and repeat the same thing. You understand? Let's say let me just name this one anything. So let's say I'll create macOS. Then under the proxy section, I will add my proxy. So I'll just select, I already have some proxies there. So I'll just select saved proxies. I'll just select one of these. And then I will now click on proxy detection. Now I'll click on confirm. Now you can see I've created two different profiles. One is using a Windows profile, the other one is Apple profile. Now if I want to launch both of them at the same time, I'll just click on this box here and everything will be ticked. Then you click on the start button. So it will open up all the browser profiles, as easy as that. If you want to open just one, you just click on the start icon beside each of them. Understand? So you can see the profiles are being opened as expected. This is the first profile. It's still detecting. This is the second profile. Now let me share the screen into two so that each of the profile will be, you can see I'm using the same IP on them. That is why their IP is the same. But if I head over to the fingerprint information, you can see this one is showing the operating system is what? Mac OS. This one, the operating system is what? Windows. So you can see how to go about it. Now there is this option called the synchronizer. What it simply do is that if you want to run a multiple account or self referral by just clicking on just one link, and you want to run it at the same time with on all the browser profiles, very easy. Make sure all the profiles are open. As you can see, mine are still open. So I'll just tap on the synchronizer. Once you tap on the synchronizer, it will open up this page. Now you click on start sync. What this means, you can see it has automatically opened up the two browser profiles. Now if I want to control both of them by doing the same thing on all of them, I'll be doing what I do on this one at my left hand side will reflect on the one on my right hand side. What do I mean? I'll open up a new tab. Now you can see this one also open up a new tab. If I type anything on this one, on the first one, you will notice the other one is also doing the same. Once I click on enter, the both of them will open. You can see both of them will be doing the same thing. Even if you open up 10 different profiles, the same thing will still happen. So you can see how to go about it. If anything you are doing on the master profile, the first one, it will affect other ones. You can see it. So this is how to use the synchronizer. It's very easy. You can stop it by click on stop and then you cancel it. Now that's that about how to use the browser profile. Now for the cloud phone, once you click on the cloud phone, you can they say 100 minutes of cloud phone usage has been added to your account. So they give me free 100 minutes. So that means I can create a cloud phone for free and use it for 100 minutes. You understand? So now on the cloud phone, it's just the same method, the same setup, just that they have a pay per minute and they have the monthly rental package, which is going for $25. Then the pay per minute is 0.0606 per minute. You can select the operating system you want. Once you have done that, you select how many profile you want to open, how many cloud phone you want to create. Let me say I want to create just one. Now, so I will now let me click on this message. I have read and agreed so that it will stop popping up. Now, I already have some proxies. I can name this, let me name it survey. Let me name it survey. Then I can just come over here. I already have some proxies. The proxies I use for my browser profile, I'll just select one here. Then I'll click on network detection to detect the proxies. Now everything is okay. So I will leave everything the way it is like this. Don't touch anything. Select the Android version you want and then you click on confirm. As simple as that. You can see it has been created. In case you want to purchase, you want to top up your balance. You want to top up your balance. It's very easy. It's very easy. What you just need to do is head over to the billing, head over to billing, and then you click on top up. You can see I have $5 balance. You can see I have $5 balance here. Understand? So I don't need to top up again. So I already have $5. I have 100 minutes. You understand? I have 100 minutes usage. So just click on top up and then click on this place. Then you can impute the amount you want to top up. Let's say you want to top up $25. Once you input it, you can see $25, you pay $25 unless your the bank you want to use or the place you are using. If you are using a card, maybe unless they also have their fees, you understand. So once you have done topping up, you can now purchase your package. So let's go back to the phone profile and launch it. So I can start up my phone profile now and let's give it a test. You can see how fast it's opening. I think this is very, very good and very fast. You understand? So once it's finished opening, exactly, it's just like you having another Android phone, but this time around, this is not a physical phone. It's a virtual phone. You understand? So you can open more phone profile and do multiple accounts. You understand? As easy as that. So let's wait for the cloud phone to finish opening. All right, so you can see the cloud phone has finished launching and you can see how the interface looks like. So let's open up the Chrome browser. Let's open up the Chrome browser and then let's do some analysis. Use without an account. So you can see, you can browse anything, IP score. You can see how fast everything I'm doing is moving. Very fast and easy. You can see how it's loading. You can move around the cloud phone to any position you want. So basically this is how the interface, the cloud phone also works. So I hope you guys understand what I just show you guys, and I believe you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel so that anytime I post new video, you'll be among the first set of people to get notified. So see you guys on another video. Bye for now.